by the title below, you guys already know what's about to go down in today's video. I'll be doing my first Temu unboxing. And I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So let us get right into it. Use the link in my description box to download the Temu app to get 100 coupon bundle for all users. So guys, make use of that. I'm going to put it in my description box. I'm going to pin it in my comment section. Temu is an online marketplace where you can go find every single thing. Every single thing where you can think about, Temu have it. Whether for your kitchen, for your bedroom, for your bathroom, even for your pet, for your baby. Everybody, Temu have everything and they are so reasonable. Let us get right into it. Oh, this is a candle lighter. Oh, it's so cute. It's pink and it comes with a little cable to charge it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, guys, you see that? We're going to test it out. This is so cute. Whoa. And you just plug it in right here, so, and charge it. All you need is an adapter. That you call it? The adapter or the block to charge it. I love this. So this is the candle lighter. I'm so excited. Alright, so these are some boxes. So the second thing that I'm unboxing are these cute little lip balms. That's what I call it. Or them lip moisturizer. So they are lip therapies. So you have the original, the honey lip, the avocado lip, the rose lip, sakura lip, and honey peach lip. Let me smell it. So I feel like I want to smell the rose lip first. Ooh, these are so little and cute. Smell like a rose for true. I don't know the rose plant, how it smell. That's what I want here smell. The sakura lip. This smell like bubble gum. So I put on some and see it apply. It's so smooth. This is so nice. Yeah, this one is my favorite. This one is an oil spray bottle. I wanted one of these for the longest while. Ooh, it's so classic. Guys, listen to me. You see me? I love nice products, good quality products without breaking the bank. And this is giving classy and it is so inexpensive. Look at this oil spray bottle. Now guys, you need to tell me if this is not the cutest thing. And them have it in a different color. I think them have gold. What is this? Handheld sewing machine. You can literally sew your clothes without taking it off. Do like this and sew it. This me gonna bring everywhere with me because my button always a fall off and something always a pull out, something always a tear out. So this is a good idea. Anybody who came up with this idea is a genius. This one now is a mini electric iron. Like, who come up with them idea here? No man. No man. And all of them stuff here can fit in my handbag. What? What? And it comes with this little cup to put the water in it. No way. Wait there, wait. This is a genius idea. I've seen this product all over the internet and I wanted one for the longest while. So let us see what it's giving. Everybody want me to use it, them say them love it and it is so easy to use. So you can cut onion, you can cut potato, tomato, sweet pepper. You can literally cut everything with this. So it comes with 14 pieces. So this is it. Ooh, this looks good. This looks really good. I'm going to put this together to see what it's giving. Guys, I'm still trying to figure out what this part is for, but I think this is how it works. How cute. You can literally change out the blade them. See, you have different cutting tool, so you can change it to what size, to what shape you like. I don't know how I love cook, so this is gonna make my life easier in the kitchen. So let us move on to another product. In this box we have a neck fan. I need to try it right now. I'm gonna try this right now because me hot bad. Wait. How this work? So when you turn it on, it looks like this. So you use the button to change your settings. So these are the first mode. The second one, you hear it? The third, fourth, fifth. Oh, so it looks like it have 5 modes. Alright, so I'm gonna go try it, guys. Alright. I love this. And it comes with a little charger, the cable. So the next product is a satin bonnet. Ooh. And it's pink. Let us see what it's giving. And I love a good satin bonnet. So let us try it on together. So this is the bonnet. This is what it's giving. I love it and it's super comfy. And I love the fact that the band around it is very stretchy. The quality is nice. But let us continue. So I'm not sure what this is. But let us open it together. Oh, guys, these are closet storage bags. I'm so happy I got these because I have some big comforters. I don't know where to put them. I literally go for my comforter a while ago because I have the comforter them out and I never have nothing to put them in. So let us see how this one works. Oh, you see? And it's big, it can hold more than one. I love this. See? Yep. So if I fold this one inside it properly, it can hold 2 more comforters because it's really big. Yeah. Alright. So this is a spray bottle. You can use it for your hair or you can use it to water your plants. I love how the water sprays out of this. I've seen it before on other influencers' page and I've always loved it. Let us give it a little test. So I put some water in it, so let us test it. Ooh, you see that? Yeah. I love this. I just love how the water spray out. So yeah. Remember to use my code, guys. So this one is a LED star light. So let us try it together. Ooh. See, comes with a cable. And this is the product. So I want us to test it to see how it really works. Right, so this is it. I'm looking for the switch to turn it on. How do I turn it on? Oh, wait. I guess I use the cable. So we're going to test it, guys. Ooh. It's nice. I love it. I'm seeing this cute little tripod. It's not in a box. I'm assuming that when the shipping company was checking the packages, that they'll put it back in a box. However, it is not damaged, it is not scratched, so that's a good sign. I should think this is a rotating tripod. Let me just check that for you guys because I'm not seeing the box where I can read the label. This is a 3-in-1 selfie stick tripod. It's expandable, lightweight. Yeah, it's really lightweight. Bluetooth wireless remote compatible. Perfect for most phones. Ooh, let's just try it out. So this is what it's looking like. It has a light at the top. Ooh, that's nice. And see how it... Wait. When I see this? Let's make a try connect my Bluetooth. Is it connecting now? Oh! So guys, me get it. Look, I'm going to press the button and look what happened. It start record. You see that? So you not even have to touch the phone screen, which is good. Before the light, after the light. We could turn it up a bit. Whoa! Guys, comment and let me know which product you like so far. Talk to me in the comment section. Oh, wonder if when them say rotate, they mean like this. And you can just put your phone. Like if you don't want to use your phone that way and you want to take a selfie, see? This is gonna come in really handy, especially when I'm doing my cooking videos. I can just put this on the counter because you can literally just, you know, let it get smaller. Let us see, what is this? Alright, we don't need the scissors for this one. This is a cotton swab holder. How cute is this? And it comes with a little thingy to put it on. No guys, tell me if this is another cutest thing. So it's a cotton swab, cotton pad, cotton ball, anything you guys want to put in it. Q-tips, whatever you guys want to put. This is so cute. Yeah, tell me, so you're not gonna order this? Make use of the coupon code. Click the link in my description. So next item is this multifunction toothbrush sterilizer. Ooh. So this is it. So let's open her up and see what it's giving. Ooh. It comes with a cable. And it comes with the piece to stick it on the wall. So this is where you put the toothpaste and then you get it from this side. Just press it like this. And then you put your toothbrush right here. Yeah. So you put it right here and then you peel the thing off it and stick it on the wall and you're good to go. And this is where you put the charger. Right at the side. This is a soap dispenser. It's a 3-piece soap dispenser. I got it in black. See, you see? You see the little black aesthetics? It's gonna match the black. Let me show you. Guys, you see what it's giving? the black aesthetics. You see. It's all coming together. So this is the body wash. Ooh, I love the bottle. It's sturdy. It no come with no scratch nor no dent. I love this. So this one is for the body wash. Shampoo. This one is a conditioner. I love it. This is a round dirty clothes basket. And this is what it's looking like. Guys, wanna see all the stuff them for the bathroom are black? Wanna get the little picture? So I'm going to put this in the corner of my bathroom and show you guys the height and how it's looking. This is what it looks like in the corner. Right. Ooh, what is this? So this is a wall-mounted shower caddy shelf. Ooh, guys, my bathroom is going to look so good, and it's black. Oh. So this is it. Ooh, I love the material. No man, these look so good. And this is the piece that holds it to the wall. You know what I love about this one? The base of it, I love that it's so close together. You see the opening? It's not too big. Because you know, sometimes you have some little items that you put on it and it falls right through it. So I love this one. Let's just see what this one is. Look at these Pampas grass. You guys know I already have some on my table, but I wanted some for the vase in my bedroom. So I'm going to put this in my bedroom. So let us put it and see how it's looking. Wait. Alright, so I probably need a shorter vase. But this is what it's giving. Yeah, so I love these. These are so unique. So you have this one, and these cute little ones. I love it. I love the combination. Yeah. Why I feel like I saved the best for last? So these sound like stuff that you need to set up whatever inside of this. So this is a corner storage rack for bathroom. So it's a bathroom or bedroom vanity. So you just put it in the corner. It's made for the corner, you see? You see the shape? Wait, let me open it up. So I want to set it up for you guys. And it's the clear one. So they have different colors. I think they have green, a champagne looking color, and this clear one. But as I said, guys, download the Temu app, make use of the 100 coupon bundle, search these beautiful items and use my code. You literally just gonna stick these in. I love that you don't need any screw for this one, and when you put them in, they're so sturdy. put it together is so easy. This is so cute and classy. No, look at it. The gold and the clear is giving. Isn't this cute? Comment and let me know, what would you guys put on this? Would you put cologne, skincare products, makeup? What would you guys put on this? I want some ideas in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think I should put on this. I can just hold it with my fingers and it's not falling apart. This is the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to use the link in my description box, and I'm going to pin it in the comment section to download the Temu app and use my coupon code. Comment and let me know if you need more Temu haul. Comment and tell me what item was your favorite. Bye guys.